In this video, I will show you how much does NFL Plus cost. All about monthly, annual, regular and premium. To do that, simply open up your Google or Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for how much does NFL Plus cost, then hit send. Here you might get this AI overview, but for now let's ignore it. Simply scroll down below. Here you can find NFL support. Click on it. It says how much does NFL Plus cost. Once you do that, simply scroll down below. Here you can see the detailed pricing limits for NFL Plus, $6.99 per month or $49.99 for year. Scroll down below, you can find different options. You can pay based on month, you can pay based on season, you can pay based on yearly or monthly. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.